Hi people, this is the new Hotpoint H8D94WBUK A++ heat pump dryer. I've had it a few days. It's brilliant, it's quiet, it self-cleans by itself. Let's turn it on. It's got loads of programs, it's very quiet. That's the whole program for you. Or for you to know on programs.
Which two?
We're straight up to mixed, number one. Right, first program's mixed. That little symbol it's showing you up there is telling you, but your filter there inside your door needs emptying. It does this halfway through the cycle. This one here is your crease care. This monitors your levels of energy. I'm sorry for shaking light, but I'm not used to doing this. And you're going to have to pick camera up that light up for because you can't see what it says on programs. Right, we've got now it has been in dryer. We've got mixed, it's that.
Before cotton.
Your phone light will be better. Plus this light don't out much. You'll have to turn it on to yeah, we've got mixed, eco cotton, synthetics, daily, wool, soaked, baby, duvet. More cycles, shirts, jeans, intelligent, pre-iron, rapid and refresh. Best thing about this more programs, you go down to more cycles. If you haven't got a mobile phone, why have you disappeared? More cycles. You go to more cycles, come over to it, and your extra cycles is bed and bath, microfiber, cuddly toys, fitness, down jackets, bath mats, and lingerie. When you're putting a cycle on, you just go to that, press OK, and it'll come up with program. It's really good, it's very quiet, they've changed all interior of the buckle. It's a lot squarer. It's really nice, absolutely really nice. It's a beautiful machine. It self-cleans, it's auto-cleaning, heat pump, 9 kilograms. The new drum inside, I'll stretch your light now. It's got pedals on, you can tell it's made by Whirlpool Hotpoint, not Industry, like it was before. And that's what the new drum looks like inside. It's really quiet, even when it's cleaning, it's quiet. That's your first filter. It tells you when your top filter wants cleaning. Right, there ain't much on it, but you know, it still knows there's a bit of fluff on it. That's your top filter, then you have your second filter inside. Shaking like mad. That's your second filter. It tells you when the second filter is full as well. And then it self cleans the bottom filter what's inside down here. I bet you can't see because it's dark in mine. Can you open that? Right, yeah. So that symbol what's showing there, can you point to it, Paul, where it says 151 time? Yeah, that light there.
Yeah.
That light there, underneath the 1 hour 51, is telling you that filter's mucky and, well, say it's only got a bit of fluff on. Yeah, it knows straight away if bottom filter's full, or it knows that the first filter's full. They need cleaning. That's the air what blows out air vent It's really quiet. I'm really pleased with it. It's worth the money. And this one's called Hotpoint Gentle Power. It's got a gentle power on it. It's really good. You can change all your different temperatures on things that allow you. Hanger dry, cover dry, extra dry. Anyway, that's my review at the moment. The lighting in here is not really good, so I can't really show you much more. But yeah, I'm very impressed. That's what the door looks like. The door. Yeah. It's really nice. It looks really nice. Anyway, thanks. Bye.